Hey, welcome back to our channel, matlabprojectscode.com. So here we go. We'll talk about a PowerPoint. A power plant control system, basically, which is using a PID control strategy. Okay. Basically, this system is designed for steam generator and turbines. Okay. You can just have a look at the blocks. So we'll be using PID controller here. Okay, we can also use MPC, or we can also use PIO, different controllers we can play, or FOPID, or even fuzzy we can do. Basically, the for simulation focuses on PID, but still we can try with different control methods. Okay, probably the obviously you can go for FOPID, or you can also go for fuzzy. And so just walk through a brief of this system. It's not the heat energy calculation subsystem is given here, and basically this superheated steam. Okay, so this is the block for the superheated steam, and next is, like, from the boiler to the heater steam flow. The system is modeled here, and coming to this, the pressure. Okay, the pressure of the superheated steam from the heater is calculated here, and you can see that superheated steam pressure here, and of course in the boiler. Okay, so both the things are calculated so that you can also measure the drum pressure. So main scopes what we talk about here is, like, the steam flow rate, what you see here. Okay, so this is your steam flow rate, what you see here. Okay, and we also talk about the steam pressure. Okay, so we got the pressure of the tube. Okay, so the steam drum pressure also is come here, and also we can just check the heat energy also too. Okay, so this is basically a power plant system, and as I said, like, we can also play with the controllers like FOPID or fuzzy. The future videos we can talk about that. That's it. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for your time.